point gap, showing that insurance ownership is not just about protection but about proactive planning. There are groups also, of course, who are building passive incomes, and into thinking long-term, they would score higher. Meanwhile, those individuals who often support multiple dependents, meaning 4 or more dependents in the family, extended family, they face more financial pressure, which limits their ability to save and invest. Another key insight is financial resilience. Financial resilience meaning if you are prepared for job loss, for natural disaster, or health emergencies. For these losses, we should also have a fund or savings na purposefully dito natin inalo.